Ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Giant Hills District hak arpun rio trik nai wiang kalapan long ka jingalang penskem ni induction ceremony ya ka Dr. Isa Sumer District School Education Officer West Giant Hills ban Shimti no kum ka District Chief Commissioner Bharat Scouts and Guides West Giant Hills ya ka jingalang balapenyai da kong Emi Daka Lingdo District Organizing Commissioner MBS and G West Giant Hills ha kamra trekam ka DSEO West Giant Hills ladon lang uma Richard B. Uria Vice President MBS and G West Giant Hills na lor kiway. Layo ka jingkran lam khamat na uma CD Lalu District Commissioner Guides MBS and G West Giant Hills Kajingkran Lingkot Shapanga Scouts Guides Movement Dakakong Saramai Taryang Vice President MBS and G West Giant Hills Katba Uma Adiam Ubutho District Secretary MBS and G West Giant Hills Habapun Boy Ula Ai Kikantian Kublay Ya Kajingpan Scam Dekat Ya Dr. Isa Sumer DSEO West Giant Hills Lapendap Dakakong Siami Shla District Training Commissioner Guides MBS and G West Giant Hills.
I'm so honored. I never expect this kind of a meeting. I don't know what is this meeting all about also. I just knew that there'll be induction, what will be my powers, what will be the functions that I'll be performing. We'll have to just go with the flow with all of you. So thank you so much for such a beautiful program. We are missing Sir Ohiwat here. I know we are so glad as a district to have one of your team to receive a national, I think it's a national award, right? So thank you so much for briefing me with the programs, the goals, and the functions of the Bharat Scout and Guide. I'm so very much impressed with your motto to be prepared. This is such a very important motto, especially for the youths of today, because imparting soft skills for the youths of today's generation is such an important task. So I really appreciate Scout and Guide, especially Kong. It has been years. You always look young. And thank you for being an inspiration, not just for the young people of Giant Hills of the state, but even for me. I believe get my time. I'll spare my time. I'll get sometimes to share along with you with your programs. I used to appreciate the Scout and Guide so much, and I believe that it will grow in our district.
The purpose of a movement or association is to contribute to the development of the young people by helping them to achieve their full physical, intellectual, and emotional, spiritual potential so that they can become a responsible citizen. A promise and law are not just words and commitment, but it's a commitment to live by a set of values that will guide our action. We are proud of you, ma'am, who will shoulder a burden to bring about good natured citizen to a country. We are confident that you will uphold the honor and integrity of Scout and Guides. Today is the beginning. May you contribute to monitor the movement with enthusiasm and dedication.